Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Today, we have to cover Unit 6 and Day 16. From yesterday's class, we revised the Unit 6 5 sessions, right? Did you revise in your home, my dear children? Yes, from today's class, we will write the assessment paper from Unit 6, okay? Before we will do this assessment paper, shall we recall the phonics and then some whole words and then grammar part? Shall we move, my dear children? Yes. First of all, let us recap the phonics session. Now you will take your SR book, SR 1, U diagraph, page number 30. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you and all open that page number. See this, my dear children, EWU sound, right? In your book, you will keep your fingers like this and also you will read along with me, okay? New, new, few, few, mew, mew, spew, spew, stew, brew, skew, pew. Next, U sound, right? Q. I hope you also read along with me, right? Hue, value, Tuesday, issue, and argue. Next, you will take the page number 32 from this to that book page number having, my dear children, U sound, then U sound, right? Blue, shoe, flew, true, clue and glue. Next, woo sound. Fruit, shoot, juice, bruise, cruise, suitcase, recruit, juicy, right? Yes. Next, OU sound, you have a page number 42. You will take that page number. Now I will recap that. Group, loo, soup, wound, youth, root. Yes. Next, page number 43. A diagram, right? A. Wait, yet, slay, nay, fright, 18, 80. Next, we will take the next page. Vain, reindeer, veil, rain, sake and vain, right? Pain. Next, EY, A diagram. Pray, grey, hay, way, obey and convey. Next, OWL, all diagraph. From your book, page number 42, you will take that. Roll, scroll, enroll, swollen, troll and pole. Yeah, great, my dear children. This and all you will practice in your home. Yeah, very good, my dear children. Next, whole word section, page number 5050. Did you read yesterday's this one previous levels and new words? Today, just once again recap the new words. Okay, you also read along with me. How we have to read this? Do not use the letter sounds to read these words, right? Just we have to read the word. Keep your finger like this. Small, small, found, found, right, right, faster, faster, open, open, just, more, different, began, lasted, never, ing, when, own, under, without, off, as. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, let us recap the reading and listening comprehension. Did you read that related stories from that? Yes. Now, concept time, drawing conclusions, right? Story clues, ask yourself the questions. While you are reading the story, just you have to ask these questions yourself, okay? What important event happened during the story? Just you have to think out, my dear children. Next, how were the characters behaving during the story? அந்த ஸ்டோரிஸ்ல கேரக்டர்ஸ் எப்படி நடந்துக்கிட்டாங்க அப்படிங்கறதையும் நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட், வாட் ஹேப்பன்ட் அட் த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி? ஜஸ்ட் யூ ஹாவ் டு திங்க் அபவுட் தட். என்ன நடந்திருக்கும் கடைசியா? வாட் அபவுட் த திங்க், ரைட்? இந்த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி. நெக்ஸ்ட், how did the characters feel that end? எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணாங்க எண்ட்ல? So this is the story clues, okay? Next, what do you already know? உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? Ask yourself the questions. What do I know about the people who behave like the characters? உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி இத பத்தி என்ன தெரியும் ஸ்டோரி பத்தி? Next, what else do I know that connects with the story? அத பத்தி உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? Next, conclusion. Conclusion means end of the story. What can we conclude? எப்படி conclusion கொண்டு வரது? What did we learn from the story? இந்த ஸ்டோரியில இருந்து நம்ம என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டோம்? Next, what is the story trying to say? Story நமக்கு என்ன சொல்ல வருது? So just you have to think about this, okay? Conclusions. Next, sequence events. Let us recap. Even in a story are sequenced into 3 parts. They are beginning, middle and end, okay? So just you have to think about while you are reading the story. Just you have to sequence, okay? Tell us about the settings, right? Settings. Tell us about the talking characters, right? Settings, talking characters. This is the beginning of the story. While you are reading the story, first of all, where is the story taking place? That means settings. Next, who are the characters in the story? That is the talking characters. Next, middle. Tell us about a problem and details. Enna problem on the story la. Next, tell us about the resolving a problem. Eppadi andha problem resolve ஆச்சு. End. Tell us about a solution. Enna தீர்வு கிடைச்சது. So this is a sequence events. That means that is a 3 parts, right? Beginning, middle, end. So while you are reading the story, just you have to think about this and you will write this. You have to use the beginning, middle and end sequencing events, okay? Are you clear, my dear children? Beginning, middle, end. Beginning means just you have to use this column. Middle means what is the problem? Resolving a problem. End la enna irukum? Solution, okay? Yes. Next, I will recap the grammar session. Did you practice this grammar session prepositions from yesterday's class? Yes. Prepositions are short words that connect the different parts of a sentence. They tell us the relationship between people, places and things, right? Let us recap? Shall we recall one time? Yes. Preposition. What is that word? On. Used to show the day and date. Used to show the position of a person and object. See the examples. I will meet on you Sunday. Ravi was sitting on the sofa. Next, in. What is that? In. Where we have to use that? Show spots of the daytime. Shows when someone or something is already inside, right? I drink milk in the morning. I drink milk in the morning. The cat is in the box. Next, into. Used when someone or something is changing location. Sujata is entering into the room. Sujata is entering into the room. Next, near. Shows the position or location of an object with reference to something, other things or place. Examples, my house is near the station. Next, at. Shows the exact time. I met my friend at 7 a.m. Exact time, we have to use the at. Towards. Used to indicate direction. We all walked towards the stage. Of. Used to show belonging. I had a glass of milk. During. Used to show when something happens over a period of time. Maya was coughing during the match. So this page you have to use to write the assessment test, my dear children. This is the preposition part in grammar, right? Yes. Now you will take the SR 14 page number. This is also very useful to your grammar part, right? Yes. Did you practice this? Connectors. What is that? Connectors. Words that connect two sentences or two parts of a sentences without changing their meanings are called connectors. Meaning change ஆகாம two sentences or two parts connect பண்றதுக்கு that means connectors, right? Shall we see some example sentence and connectors? And Rohan reached home and rest for some time, right? Next, but used to connect unlike ideas or to show contradiction. Mohit can swim but his brother cannot. Mohit nala swim பண்ண முடியும் ஆனா brother nala முடியாது. But or shows there is only one choice option. We can go for a movie or a circus. Any one we have to go today. Movie or circus, any one. Just we have to use this word or. This and all called connectors. So are you clear, my dear children? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Today also we recap that phonics, whole words, reading and listening comprehension, right? Sequencing, then difference between the conclusions, right? In grammar part, preposition and connectors. Then writing and speaking expression. Just you have to think about and draw and label the imaginary story and also write 5 to 8 sentences about your stories, right? Yes. Shall we show the LGAS 6 written assessment paper? Now I will give a revision for that. After that, in your notebook, you will write the exact answers from your notebook, okay? Yes. So my dear children, today also finish the LGAS 6 unit 6 lesson, okay? So shall we write the written assessment from this unit? Are you ready? Yes, take your notebook. See that first question, dictation. Dictation. Now I will say the A part questions. You will listen and write that, right? Reindeer. Reindeer. Next, juice. Juice. Next, third one, Nate. Third one, nay. Nay. Fourth one, value. Value. Fifth one, pole. Pole. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you will write, complete this page. Next B1 I will say that first one, right. Right. Small. Small. Under. lasted, lasted. Next, just. Okay, so just you have to listen that. You will write these words. Okay, next, fill in the blanks with the correct vowel digraph for each word. Right? First of all, we will see the boxes. All, A, U, E, U, A, U and U, like that. Right? Now, shall we fill up this? Fill in the blanks. Are you ready? You also see the picture. Just we have to connect that. What here come? What is that? Yeah, what is the picture? Stew. Stew. Which word? Here. So you will write this page. Next, what picture is this? Scroll. Scroll. Here three words given, three letters given. So you have to write the scroll. Next, what is this? Yeah, great. Soup. Soup. Yes, that's P here. So you will write O-U, soup. Next, what letter is this? 8. So we will write A here. Next, what is this? Way. E-Y, you have to write this. Next, cruise. Cruise. U-I you will write. Next, vein. Vein picture. Which one here come? This one. Next, what picture is this? Glue. Which word? Yeah. So you have to write a question number 2. Then write the answers. You have to see this. You have to use this. Okay. Yeah. Great, my dear children. Next, see the third question. Read the sentences and fill in the blanks by choosing the correct preposition. I gave a revision from this. Do you know that? Yes. Riya slept dash the movie. Which one here come? During or off? You will write here answer. Next, Aman and Anita are going for a dinner dash Saturday. Which here come? On or at? Just you have to guess the answer and then write this. Next, the school starts dash a.m. This is the exact time, means what you have to write this. Okay. Everyone walked dash the market. During or towards. Which one here come? You will write. Okay. Next, at the back dash the book. I have written the name. Off or on. Right? So you will complete this. You will write the question number. Then A, you will write this. Okay. Next, fourth one. Join the sentence using and, but, or. Right? Connectors. These words are called connectors. This also I gave a revision. Right? See that. Karan likes to cook. Karan likes to stitch. Which connect here come? First you will write this word. Sentence says Karan likes to cook. After that you will add this 3 any one and then Karan likes to stitch. Okay. ஏதாவது ஒரு word connect பண்ணி you will complete this sentence, my dear children. Next, B question. Neha knows how to dance. Neha does not like dance. Which word here come? You will write the first sentence. After that you will use 3 any one. Then after next sentence you will write. Complete this sentence. Okay. Join the sentence using this. Okay. Next, third one. Rimi might go to Sri Lanka. Rimi might go to Nepal. You will connect the word. After that you have to complete this. Next. Suman does yoga in the morning. Suman goes running in the evening. Okay. Which word here come? You will connect and write. Complete the sentence. From this also you will write a question number. Then write the A question answer. Okay. In your rough note. Next. Use the correct pronoun and fill in the blank. This one last unit, right? Pronouns what are all? He, she, it, they, we, like that, right? Yes. Ravi makes a picture dash shows it to all his friends. Ravi, which one? He, she, it, anything like that. You have to complete this, okay? We saw a movie last night. Dash was really good. Which word here come? Pronoun word, okay? Next, Rahul bakes a cake for his mom. Dash loves to bake a cake. Hemant and Sunil are brothers. Dash are twins. So you have to use this dash. What one? Pronouns. Okay, you will use here pronouns. Okay, you will write a question number. Then A. Complete the sentence. Write this question and then write the answer, my dear children. Next, sixth one. Draw a label and story elements shown below for an imaginary story. Okay, so from this you only think about this. Okay, you will think about a imaginary story and draw a column like this. Settings, talking characters, a problem, resolving the problem, then a solution. This like you will write a tabular column in your notebook. After that you will complete this box. Okay, yes. So if you complete that, right, sixth question, you will write about the 5 and 8 sentence for an imaginary story. Ungaloda story pati 5 or 8 sentence you will write here. Okay, so are you clear, my dear children, from this question paper? Yes, great, Kutima. Next, read the story and answer the questions given below. First of all, you will read the story, The Singing Donkey, right? I will read this, okay? After that, this question paper, I will send you WhatsApp. Then you have to complete this, okay? Adapted from the Panchantra's Tales, illustration Giddy Benha. First page, a donkey and jackal were friends. One night, they were walking through a field. They felt hungry. They saw a cucumbers in the field. See the first. Yes. அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். அவங்க வாக்கிங் போகும்போது அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆகுது, பசிக்குது. அவங்க குக்கும்பர்ஸை பார்க்குறாங்க, ரைட்? நெக்ஸ்ட், they went to eat the cucumbers. They ate and ate till they could eat no more. The donkey felt content and happy. He wanted to sing. சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருந்தாங்க. அதனால டான்கிக்கு என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, ரொம்ப ஹாப்பி ஆயிடுச்சு. இது என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, wanted to sing, பாடணும்னு அது நினைக்குது. The jackal told him not to sing as the farmers would hear him. The donkey did not listen to the jackal. The jackal went away as he did not want to get caught. Next page. The donkey started braying in his loud voice. On hearing him, the farmers came running out. They came with their sticks and beat the donkey. They drove him away from the field. The donkey realized his mistake. He felt sorry for not listening to his friend. என்னாச்சு, இது பாட ஆரம்பிச்சோன்னே இந்த ஃபார்மர் அதை கேட்டிங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டாரு, அடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாரு. அப்புறம் அந்த ஃபீல்டை விட்டு வெளியில் வந்தோடனே அதோட மிஸ்டேக்கை ரியலைஸ் பண்ணிருச்சு. ஸோ சாரி சொல்லுது அதோட ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஸ்டோரி. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட், after reading this story we have to complete this question from that related stories. Who are the characters in the story? Story யார் யார் இருந்தாங்க? Yes, just you have to complete this. Next, what can you conclude from the story? Story clues, what do you know already, then conclusion. Already I gave a revision from this, so just you have to connect the story and then you will write this, okay, about the donkey and his friend. Okay, next, why did the jackal tell the donkey not to sing? ஏன் அது பாட வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிச்சு தெரியும் இல்லையா? பாடினா என்ன ஆகும், ஃபார்மர் வந்துருவாங்க, அவங்க ஃபீல்டோட ஃபார்மர் வந்து அடிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருவாங்க. அதனாலதான் பாட வேண்டாம்னு ஜாக்கல் சொல்லிச்சு இல்லையா? ஸோ திஸ் லைக் யூ ஹாவ் டு கம்ப்ளீட் திஸ். What do you think would have happened if donkey would not have started singing? நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? So this like you have to complete this. Next, read the sentences given below and sequencing them as beginning, middle and end. So first of all, you will read the sentences. They will write beginning, middle and end. Okay. The jackal asked him not to sing as that would wake the farmers up. The donkey started singing. The farmer wake up, beat the donkey with sticks. The donkey feels very happy and wants to sing to show his happiness. The donkey does not listen to him. The jackal goes away. A jackal and donkey are hungry. As they are passing through a field of cucumbers, they eat and eat all the cucumbers till they cannot eat anymore. Right? So my dear children, this one in your story pages having what will come beginning, middle and end. Right? So again you will read the story, after that completing the beginning, middle and end. Right? So story you have to just again and read. Then you have to complete the beginning, middle and end. Okay. So are you clear from this? Yes. Next. What do you think about the meaning of the word here? Tick the correct column. See, jump, listen. Which one come? You have to just put a tick. Okay. You will write the question number, then write the answer. Next, the donkey realized his mistake. What do you think in the meaning of the underlined word? Desire, something wrong, money. Just you have to write the answer from your notebook. Next, use the word given below the and make a sentence. Sorry. Just you have to use the word, then write one sentence. Okay, from your notebook, my dear children. Yeah, great, my dear children. This question paper you will write your rough notes. Okay, this dictation I will send you a WhatsApp. Okay, dictation words you will write a column, after that B column, then this and all you will write a question number and write the answer A, B, this like. Okay, so are you clear, my dear children? So from today we have to completed the unit 6 written assessment also. Okay. Yeah, great, my dear children. Today itself completed this. Tomorrow onwards, we will learn about the new unit, unit number 7. Okay. So, Alakha, you will write neatly and beautiful. Okay. And send you a WhatsApp. Great, my dear children. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.